Let's take some of those from over there.
सितंबर 2017 में नेशनल डिजिटल डिज़ाइन कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई इस्लामाबाद में। मैं वहाँ पे पहुँचा था क्योंकि मैंने जिस तरह पहले भी वीडियो में बताया कि ये एक बहुत बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंस है। बहुत बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छी कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई। यहाँ पे बड़े अच्छे स्पीकर्स आए हुए थे। लेकिन इस वीडियो में हम ये देखेंगे कि स्टेफन साइगमाइस्टर जो कि एक वर्ल्ड क्लास और वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर है, उससे मैंने एक सवाल किया और ये सवाल मैंने प्रिपेयर किया हुआ था पहले से, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस सवाल के जवाब में आपको भलाई मिलेगी, आपको फ़ायदा होगा, क्योंकि ये क्रिएटिव प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए बड़ा रेलेवेंट है। आइए देखते हैं।
My question is from a skill point of view, as a graphic designer, once you were starting out, because I help creatives start their online businesses. And a business is much more difficult than a profession, but you need to be professional. You mentioned discipline just now. So my question is that what one trait outside of the skill part of graphic design would you want an individual to really inculcate in him or herself to be as successful or even come close to be as successful as the Sagmeister?
Well, I would say that the skill, apart from the design, that's the most important for the designer, would be to make things happen. See, I've talked to many audiences, pretty much anywhere in the world, and when it's one-on-one, immediately I get people complaining about clients. You know, I look at a portfolio and people say, well, this used to be so much better, but then the client changed this and the client changed that, and now of course it's a piece of shit, but it used to be really fantastic. And I do think that this is all part of being a designer. Of course, if you're a junior designer at a large agency, it's extremely difficult to be in charge of selling your piece, because likely you're not going to even be taken to the meeting. Maybe you shouldn't be working as a junior designer for a large agency if that really bothers you. But I think that that entire world of making things happen, that would include getting posters out there, but includes just getting it done, either through clients or for personal work, I think is a very big deal. And there are many designers out there, you know, like we've heard, I think, today in the morning, that ability to have 2 children and a job and then still write the movie. That's just a big deal. And I'm sure that there are many people around who maybe had that desire and ambition and started writing a film, but never got it made. And that's all, it's like a big package to have that force in you to go through the up and downs that these projects always have and pull through. And you know, I'm not meaning there were many times during the Happy Film when we thought, let's quit. Luckily, within Ben and me, we normally had different times when we thought that's the best time to quit. But there were, I think I was at least 3 times at the ready to say, you know what, let's just cut our losses and let this one go. And there were a good number of lucky events that made us go on. But in general, I do think that that's the biggest thing.
Yeah, thank you.